Hi there, welcome to our first unboxing video. What we're going to be unboxing today is this, a blister pack of Team Up. There you go. So in these blister packs, these are available from supermarkets. I picked this one up from Sainsbury's. These are between 12 and 13 pounds, depending where you pick this up. I actually picked this up on sale, so it was £10 when I picked it up. So you can see it comes with an Ultra Necrozma bonus card, promo card. It comes with a coin to use in the game and 3 Team Up packs. In a minute, let's tear this off and we'll show you what's inside. Okay, so if I open the back up here, let's get into this. Lovely, lovely Pokemon product. So these are also available online. If you click on the link below, you'll see that there is a 2% discount code from any orders from totalcards.net. That's exclusive to me, my channel, and anybody who goes to my Pokemon club at the college. So let's get this coin out of there. Grr. There you go. There's the coin, if you can see that. It's a lovely Alolan Vulpix. There you go.
I thought it was a Ninetales.
Okay, it's a Ninetales. Thank you for correcting me, Angus. That's my eldest son, Angus, who's expertly holding the camera. And there is a code card for those of you who like code cards. Rufus, could you back off, please? Thank you. And there is the Ultra Necrozma Shiny Hollow. So you can just see the light glinting on there. Okay, so we have the 3 booster packs, all Team Up. There is the Pikachu and Zekrom. We have Venusaur and, what is it? Sneevy, thank you very much. And Gengar and Mimikyu. Now Rufus, you wanted to open the Gengar and Mimikyu, didn't you? So I'll put that one there for now. Angus, you wanted the Pika-Rom. And I will open the Venusaur and Sneevy. Okay, so what we're going to do is each of my children is going to open a pack each, and I'm going to open the final pack. Unfortunately, Felix is a little bit too young to be opening the cards without bending them or eating them or snotting over them or whatever. Okay, so let's give this a go. Okay, first up we have Rufus with the Mimikyu and Gengar. Rufus, what are you hoping to pull from this?
Gengar and Mimikyu Tag Team GX.
You want the Mimikyu and Gengar Tag Team GX. Alright, let's get opening this baby up.
Oh.
Try and open it in the camera, sweetheart. Yeah, so open it up.
How do I do this?
Okay, a little creative editing. Crack that pack open. Okay, so how do you do it? Code cards.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hang on.
Okay.
Okay, so if you just pop them, don't lean on the thing, just pop them in the middle so people can see what it is. So we've got water energy. Just put them on top of each other, Dan, so that they can focus on them. Thank you. What was that? Okay, so we've got a Tauros. Lavender Town.
A Larvitar.
Oh, that's cool.
A Meowth.
Meow.
And a Nidorino.
That's cool.
A Maori. Ferroseed.
Ferroseed,
My
cool.
rare one is Zoroark.
Zoroark.
And my rare is a Parasect.
Parasect, lovely. This is now opening his pack, the Pika-Rom pack. Badly.
I can't.
Okay. Angus has the Pika-Rom pack. That's
Green.
right in the shot there, isn't it? Green code card. Turn it around so everybody can see the code and bag that code if they want to. Put it, no, pop it under. There you go. There you go. Right, okay, throw that away. And the wrapper. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, what have we got? That's more important than that. Do the card trick.
So. Oh, sorry.
Explain what you're doing, because nobody can see. What have you just done? Taken 4 from the back, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
psychic energy.
Psychic.
A jinx.
The Jinx.
A hit really.
Hit on me.
Really. Donna.
You missed one. No, you haven't. Come
Teeny.
on. Dini.
Ponyard. Loaded Grimer. Ponyta. Reap. A shiny Pidgeot and a dark kangaroo. I've got a
Lovely. Well done, Angus. Alright, so this is mine. It is the Venusaur and Sneevy. So let's get this bad boy open. Okay, so look at that white and green code card. Look at that. Okay, so could be something good. For those of you that don't know, because some people will be new to Pokemon, the white and green code cards normally mean something pretty good. So Rufus, if you hold that still, please. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back, because this card here is now going to be the rare. Okay, oh, I've just done something wrong there. Right, so I've got buff padding. I've got Heliodisc. I've got Wartortle. Energy. Charmander. Helioptile. Mankey. A Vulpix. A Pancham. I have a reverse Horo Geodude and an Ampharos GX. Shiny, look at that.
I actually wanted.
Oh, well, you chose the other packs. There you go. Alright, just to recap. In that one, we got a nice shiny Pidgeot, reverse holo. You can see the shine across the card there. And a Pangoro regular rare. And in the other pack, we got the Parasect was a regular rare. And then we got a Zoroark, reverse holo, darkness reverse holo. There you go. And then we got an Alolan Geodude, reverse holo, and the Amorphous GX. Alright, see you soon, stay safe.